Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Sun Moon Rising Cancer, welcome to this video. This is going to be your July last week plus August first week's video. Yes, this is going to be a love plus career reading starting from July 28th to the August 3rd. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Okay. We are going to start with your love life. That means your personal life first. I do see that you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon Rising, or you can have a Libra Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. There is a Three of Stars and the Hermit card here. Whoever this person is, now don't get too fixated. Okay, you might not know all the signs of all the people that you're dealing with. It could be friendships, it could be love, it could be your own personal siblings or parents as well. There is a truth that is going to be revealed to you this week, which is going to really hurt you. Like somebody is going to backstab you, somebody gave you wrong advice, you trusted this person for God's sake, and they have hurt you so bad. I do see there's a lot of pain that you're carrying. Okay, if this has not already happened, this is going to happen this week. So be very cautious that you're not sharing your personal information with anyone, because you don't want these people to use you, misuse these emotions towards you or your personal information against you. Now, I'm not saying that they're all the people that you're involved with, but there's one person, could be, maybe more, but I definitely see that one person is definitely there who's going to break your trust in some way. This truth will be revealed, which will break you, shake you, which will force you to isolate yourself from everyone. You will stop speaking to everyone, and you will also start going within for answers, seeking answers from your own intuition rather than depending upon those people. Also, you will rely more on your own higher wisdom. I do see that this is a week where you will be isolating yourself a lot because you have stopped trusting people, right? And rightly so. If somebody is going to backstab you in some way, lie to you, you trusted this person, if they are going to hurt you, I do see that there is a time to make a decision. This week, you will be making a decision once and for all to whether to leave this person, end this relationship, or move forward, right? This is the time of you contemplating what should you do. And if this is not you, this could be your partner's energy as well. Please feel free to reverse the roles whenever you feel. This could be a partner who will make a very important decision regarding you, whether some sort of truth will be revealed and they will decide whether to come to you or to completely end this relationship. Okay. Uh, in your career, you've got the Two of Stars and the Judgment card. I do see again in your career also, this is a judgment time for you guys, like a very time of decisions. Whether in your personal life or your career, you are going to make some very important changes in your life. Okay, be it friends, if you want to cut out some toxic friends, change toxic jobs, start a new business, all those kinds of things. Major changes, major decisions are going to come right now. They are to be made by you, so expect good results also this week, because with the Judgment card here, it is also a card of the universe making or passing a judgment or a decision on the basis of how much effort you have done. If you have done really well, if you've given your 100% to your work, expect promotions, more money, better applaud, appreciation coming your way. And if you haven't done that well, if you've only put your 50%, then expect 50% results this week. So this is the judgment time. So if you think that, no, the salary is unfair, or this promotion is unfair, everything is going to be fair this week. So trust the universe. And yes, if you are applying for jobs and you're confused as to which company to take, or which offer to take, or which client to work with, what kind of partnership you want, please read the documents. This is the time of careful decision making. Okay, you'll have to read the documents, you'll have to weigh the pros and cons of every situation and then make a decision. I do see that you're making some major changes, major moves in your life, overall life, whether to stay in India, go abroad, take a job here or another city. All these decisions are a part of, your life, like moving houses, buying a car, relationships. If you're making major decisions around it, whether to stay or to move on, it is a major move that you're going to make. And I do see you making that right now. So yes, if I do look at your overall reading, it's going to be intense. this is going to be a very intense week for you. So please make sure that you are not revealing too many information or personal information with the people, because this week you're going to get hurt if you trust people too much. B, rely on yourself, your intuition, your higher wisdom. 3, carefully make decisions in your life after reading the documents, after weighing the pros and cons. Okay, very important week for you guys, very intense week. So please follow the directions. Okay, I hope this is as smooth for you as possible. But yes, this was a general reading. If you have any specific question in your mind you want to ask me, please feel free to contact me. The readings are of course chargeable, personal readings, but at very budgeted nominal charges. Like, you'll order a plate of tikki and you will be able to do this reading. It's literally as cheap as that. So go check out the prices, email me to know the prices or to make any bookings, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. I keep on posting the prices on my stories also daily basis. So guys, please show some love to my Instagram handle as well, and my YouTube channel. Subscribe me on this channel, hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, do all that. It doesn't take much. Okay. So yes, take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.